So now let's move inside the dome and we'll show you all the pictures out here, how it actually look like, what the comfort is there, what our amenities are inside the dome. So we have opened, and first of all I'd like to know, like you all to know, that this dome is waterproof, bulletproof and soundproof, and also fireproof. This sheet which actually you are seeing in front of your TV screen. And now this is the inside picture of dome. Built with high-tech 360 degree. So the domes are not only visually stunning but also, as I've already told, these are bulletproof, waterproof, fireproof, ensuring the safety and comfort of guests. Now these sheets which you are seeing in front of your TV screen is polycarbonated sheets. So the rent of the dome has been kept at 91,000 plus GST on the day of bathing festival and 81,000 for normal days. And this dome has also, you can see, attached toilet and bathroom, open air space from where the activities of Ganga and Mahakumbh will be seen. There are also Yagyashalas, temple and places to do yoga over here. So the igloo-like experience for the first time in India. The concept of Dome City is inspired by igloos of snowy countries. And however, it has been brought to India for the very first time with such grandeur. And if you talk about height, each dome is built at height of 15 feet, which gives a great view of every direction. So it is quite interesting when people from all over India, from all over world will be coming. They're gonna enjoy each and every bit of this dome. We are showing you the inside pictures. So if we talk about the facilities out here, ACs are there, geysers are there, electric kettle is placed, and as far as room warmers are concerned, government have not gave the permission for that. But as far as I am inside the dome, the temperature is normal. But AC, geyser, electric kettle are already placed, but as far as room warmer is concerned, permission is still not allotted. So the government haven't give the permission for the room heaters, maybe because of safety of the guest who will come out here. So now we'll move out as we are continuously showing you the pictures of this beautiful dome. Now from outside, we are talking about the thick sheets that have been used here. So total 50 cottages are built amenities like air conditioner, geysers, all the arrangement for Sattvic food is here. So built at cost of approx 51 crore, the Dome City is spread over 3.25 acres of Arel Ghat. Built with high-tech 360-degree polycarbonate sheets, the dome are not only visually stunning but also bulletproof, fireproof and waterproof, ensuring the safety and comfort of guests. So the rate of staying in this unique accommodations vary depending upon the time of event. It has been built by private company Evo Life Space Private Limited in collaboration with the State Tourism Department. This is the actual beauty of Dome which we are showing you out here. Now let's move toward the cottages because 10 domes is there and beneath that cottages are there. So in total 50 cottages are there. Now we'll check up how the cottage actually looks like.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.